Hi everyone, my name is Beth. I'm a student at Full Stack Academy, and I am here today to present my Stackathon project, which was attempting to create a multi-user experience in VR that could support many, many people. And I'm going to share my screen now. Let me switch these. Okay, so basically it was a very long, complicated road, and no one really knows what's going on. So the goal was to create a VR app, so that limited me in terms of technology to either A-Frame, 3JS, or Unity, that supports multiple users, so Firebase or Socket.io, with real-time audio communication. And my plan was to use WebRTC for that. So this was my original plan. A-Frame is actually an abstraction of 3JS, which is an abstraction of WebGL. So you can imagine that's a lot of abstraction, and that actually gave me a lot of difficulty. So this is 21 lines of code and basically renders this scene with a whole bunch of goodies, including arrow key movement, a new person entering the scene whenever like a new user joins, that little cardboardy thing in the bottom right corner that'll enter VR mode, stereoscopic view, all of that is included in those 21 lines of code, which is kind of amazing, but also kind of a pain because that means you can't really customize it to whatever you want to do. So then my next approach was to try sockets instead of Firebase. But the issue that I ran into was, how do I add these weird entity things to the DOM? Because A-Frame uses kind of weird little tags that you add things to render them. So then going away from A-Frame, I tried 3JS plus sockets plus WebRTC. And like Joey was saying, a lot of issues arose from using the WebVR boilerplate, which provides cool things like the enter VR mode and the stereoscopic view, as well as automatic device detection. But that also means, again, that it's hard to make it your own and pull out variables. There's a lot of global variables in the WebVR boilerplate, and when you try to actually make them into something, it doesn't work. So then I kind of lost hope for a little bit, thought about switching projects. I played around with Unity for a bit. And then I just realized that A-Frame is basically just a wrapper for a 3JS object stuck in an HTML tag, which means that I could append, remove, etc., just like you would in HTML. So my final project is based on A-Frame and sockets, which I will demonstrate now. And all of this is actually deployed on Heroku right now. So you could, and this bottom left screen is attached to my Pixel, which let me pull up the app on here. Okay. So Pixel's here. All right, so this is our basic scene. All of the users are, so these boxes, okay. Someone is connected right now. But you can see this little box moving around. These boxes are all of the avatars, and each of these windows right now is a different person. And you can see that when one person, this is, okay, these are a lot of windows. But when one person moves, it shows up on the, so this green box is this person, and then let's get this person in front of here. So this red box is this browser right here, and then this pixel is here. And so it'll follow head rotations, and then you can also rotate on your browser, and this red box on the right-hand side you can see is rotating with that. And that's the basics. I didn't have enough time, unfortunately, to implement the actual WebRTC audio portion. And I would also like to, in the future, implement integration with the Daydream controller. And I guess I should have shown, this can also go into VR mode, do our normal calibration. And voila, VR mode. You can look around. Again, you can see this box is rotating to match the head movements. And yeah. So that's it. Thank you all for listening.
That's so amazing.
It was quite the struggle.